pi L by G. What is the time period of this? So first we'll calculate the time period of the pendulum. Time period of this is time period of this 2 pi. So what does it mean? Time period of B is time period of A is how much? 2 times of time period of B. By the time B completes one oscillation, B is missing. I'll write B there. By the time B completes one oscillation, the A will complete two oscillations. Calculate the time after which the release of two strings becomes parallel for the first time. Means where they'll be at same position. Where they will be at mean position or at any other point, we don't know. Altogether, we have to calculate the time. So the B, I'll start with the red color. The B, what will happen, will go like this and will come. What about A? A will start from here. This is for A. This is for B. Okay, T equals 0, it is here. T equals 0, it is here. Okay, now let's get into the time. If B completes, okay, let TB, let me take this as equal to T naught something. We'll write it. When TB equal T naught, TA will be equal T. So for T naught, so T naught by 4, this will be T naught by 4, or shall I suggest you can go for circle. This will be very difficult. You can go for directly the circle idea. This will be still a little bit difficult. So at T equals 0, what will happen? This will be at T naught by 4. In the T naught by 4, what is the time taken by it? Will be 2 T naught. So how much of time it will take for it to be here? T naught by 4. For this, it will be T naught by 2. 3 T naught by 4. And this will be T naught. What about yeah, we'll begin like this. So this will be T equals 0. What is the time taken by it? Time taken by it will be 2 T naught. 2 T naught means, so what should happen here? So at what time it will be here? T naught by 2, T naught. Okay, when it is here at T naught by 4, if it is here, where the B will be somewhere here. Green one should be A, no? A, this is B. Okay, so symbols I'll change them. Okay, first add this move. So in T naught by 4, when this reaches here, it will be here. Agree this? So now I think there's a possibility of crossing. So somewhere here, it can cross, no? So by the time T naught by 2, it will reach here. This will reach this when this is at mean position. This will be at extreme. So there's a possibility of crossing here. So I'll put that reference line. You can use any other method. I'm just showing this is the one option. It's possible, no? Okay, let's come for. So this will be at T naught by 4. It will be here. At some time T, the A will be here and the B will be here. This is a time T. So this time is what it is being asked. parallel for the first time. It should be greater than T naught by 4, that we are very sure. So how to calculate that particular thing? Anybody answer? We need that angular displacement, no? So how much of angular displacement it will undergo in this interval of time? It will start from left extreme. This will be. So this is what actually the linear. So some like a some we can also go for the circle like this. One will start with right extreme B, the other will start with somewhere both will be at same position. So here B will be, here it should be, B should cross it, no? Okay, okay, we'll do one thing. I'll do correction. Oh, no, so it will be somewhere here. This will be A, this will be B. So the angular displacement of this will be, and the angular displacement of this will be this much. Okay, then only possible, no? This will be both will be crossing each other. This is one straight line I shown, this one circle here. What is the time? This time we know it. For this, it will be T naught by 4 and calculate this particular angle, this one. And for this, you know, this should be equal to time taken to move here will be T naught by 2. Time taken for complete one oscillation will be 2 pi by to T naught it is. And for this angular displacement, how much it is? For this, time taken to complete one revolution is T naught. Then it should be 90 plus this particular angle. And this should also be theta 2. By symmetry. So this total angle will be theta 1. So this will be 90 minus theta 1, 90 minus theta 2. Okay, this is some. Yeah, let it be. Theta 1. So call this is theta. What is the relation between now? This will be theta will be 90 minus theta 2. So this should be equal to how much? Theta 1 by time taken by B should be equal to 2 pi by T naught. This will be theta 2 time taken by A. This time has to be same, 2 pi to theta naught. What is okay? We have taken T naught. Let it be. T naught is what? Pi under root of L by G. Anybody value theta 1 plus theta 2. So you can do one thing. So what is this total angle will be? Theta 1 plus theta 2 should be equal to 180. Or theta 1 is theta plus 90. Plus theta. Anybody time? This is like a t equal to 0, this is a time. This is t equal to 0, this is a time. You'll get that in terms of t naught by 3, time taken to reach this particular thing. T naught by 3. I think best thing, theta 1 plus theta 2, what we can write it all together. Theta 1 plus theta 2 should be 180. Should be pi. So theta 1, you write it 2 pi t by t naught. This will be 2 pi t by 2 t naught will be 2 pi. 2 pi get cancelled. So this will become 3t by 2 t naught equal to 1.
So it will be only pi, sir.
It's only pi, ma. Okay, this will become 3t naught. Okay, t naught by 3. Okay, thus we know this time. Okay, what is t naught? T naught in this one. So this will become t naught by 3. So this will become pi by 3 root L by G. Getting this one, it's a very good question for students to think on their own. Many ask this as a doubt. That's why I just brought it to explain commonly. This will not, so once again, this will just get only idea. Am I right? This diagram will get you only some idea. The circle one is again will help you also for pendulums, comparison of pendulums. So I think now just do remember the idea of this circle, the phasor diagram, what we call usually, is so important that even in for pendulums also we can think very beautifully. This theta not needed, just as shown. If you want, you can remove it. Maybe sometimes they'll ask you this particular thing. If it's very complicated, just avoid it. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is 90, and go for this substitution here. Okay, we'll go for the next one.